Yo, Jaimie, you gotta get yourself a ladder and some scaffolding and some people to help you. Yeah! Oh, well, why is that? To get your solar panels on the roof, dog. Sup? But alright, this guy has to go over here. So I'm gonna pull it up, reach out of the top over there and try to drag it over. And to make that a little bit easier, I have a big PVC pipe stuck under it. Hopefully that'll help me move the thing. But that's impossible! I'm just gonna go do it now. Top 2 bolts in. I loosened my rope just in time too, because I kind of cracked this up here. It'll be easy to fix though. I'll just pull it in and put a bit of cement in there. It'll be fine. Oh, got it!
Yeah, that's mine on the wall.
I put tape on it so I can have something to grab with my pliers.
Blessing spot. Now you do it. Alright. It's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You landed on a purple flare. Oh, come stand over. Come stand. Don't worry, you didn't land on a dangerous flare. You're lucky.
Come on.
Okay, you did not actually did.
Sweet! Ooh, just in time for lunch. Those are some good looking mounts. Got a couple more chairs done. Made 2 kids' specifications. I think they did a good job. Got my water tank almost sealed up. It's closed off on the other side there. This side, I'm gonna have to figure out how to make, well, not how to make, but how I want to make the hatch, because I want to be able to get in, obviously. Oh, and of course, I slipped an overflow spout in here. Yeah. Oh, sweet water tank. That should be about 600 gallons. Now over here, I want to make sure the bottom edge of my hole entrance is above my overflow there. And then I need to make some kind of cover door thing for this. Yeah, I don't know.
And then they found her.
Are you talking about Rapunzel?
Yeah. She was called the Lost Princess because she was in a tower. But then she soon returned to the king and queen because she did not want to stay in the tower. And they cut her hair and Mother Gothel did not like that, and they cut Rapunzel's hair because she liked that. But when Rapunzel's hair was cut, Mother Gothel just wanted her hair to be long again, but couldn't. Because it was brown and it was never magical. Condor's hair is yellow.
Alright, I got 2 gutters coming down to this spot, which will go into a pipe, down the ground, into my water tank. And this is the side of the building that gets the most rain, because the wind generally comes this way. So it should get a lot of water. Oh, I can't wait to see it rain. And all this water is going to... Oh, it's going to be great. And I made my gutters like big enough that they'll catch most of the water coming down, but small enough that if there's a leaf or something like that in there, it's more likely to fall off the side than make it all the way down. Man, I should have left that longer. Hold on.
Oh, do you know what this is? Don't say it.
Extra cement in the concrete. Man, this stuff is hard. Alright, where's my hole? Oh, I need to cover that. Stupid wind. Alright. Where's my hole? There it is. Oh, now that I know where to go, I can stand out here and do it. Instead of reaching under the counter. Cripes. Destroyed that drill bit. I think I'll have to remember to put these in as I'm building on the next building. Of course, on this one, I was just rushing trying to get to the part where it seemed like this might actually be possible. Holy cow, that took a lot of work to get through there. I guess I don't have to worry about the building not being strong enough. The heck, man? Someone made a big mess in here. Sheesh. Let's hope this fits. Ah, very good, very good. Ooh, very good, very good. There's a nice looking drill bit. Ah, sweet, fully functional now. It'll just dump out here, but I'll do the rest of the pipes later. I'm not sure where it goes yet. I'll have to mortar that in too. And next time I get mortar out, I'll just put a little in there.